Imagine a world where your barista, your warehouse coworker, and even your personal trainer are all robots. Not 10 years from now, not 5. This is 2025, and these 9 humanoid robots are already changing everything we thought we knew about the future.
Number 9, NEO by Tesla Robotics. Tesla's newest prototype, NEO, has taken center stage in automated industries. Unlike its predecessors, NEO runs on Dojo 3, Tesla's latest AI chip architecture, which allows real-time adaptation and error correction. It's already being tested in Tesla's own gigafactories, replacing entire assembly line roles. Did you know segment? Elon Musk claims that within 3 years, NEO will cost less than a car. 8. Optimus Gen 2. Gen 2 is smarter, faster, and more expressive. Tesla added over 200 facial micromotors, and now Optimus can understand sarcasm, interpret hand gestures, and even walk on uneven ground like sand or gravel. This version can now be used for household assistance, caregiving, and even retail. Did you know segment? Optimus Gen 2 can distinguish between over 500 human emotional tones just from your voice. 7. Figure 01X. Figure AI is a startup, but 01X is no toy. It was built to learn on the fly, meaning it can observe a task once and replicate it with up to 90% accuracy. In January 2025, it was seen helping SpaceX engineers during a live Falcon 9 payload assembly. Did you know segment? 01X is modular. Arms, legs, and even software brains can be hot swapped in under 5 minutes. 6. Ameca 2.0. The queen of facial expression just got a massive upgrade. Ameca 2.0 now uses GPT-5 Turbo to process live conversations. She also features visual tracking, meaning she can maintain eye contact, react to subtle cues, and display expressions almost indistinguishable from human reactions. Do you ever wonder if AI can dream? I don't, but I can imagine what it might feel like. 5. Apollo by Aptronik. Apollo is the ultimate disaster response robot. Developed in collaboration with NASA, it can walk through unstable terrain, lift heavy objects, and survive environments unsafe for humans. It's already been deployed in wildfire zones and collapsed buildings. Did you know segment? It can carry out autonomous missions for up to 4 hours without a human operator. Number 4. Cyber 1X by Xiaomi. Cyber 1X combines beauty with performance. With its carbon fiber skeleton and AI-driven agility, it can perform athletic maneuvers, balance on narrow surfaces, and execute dance routines with shocking realism. Fun fact: Cyber 1's balance system is inspired by how birds adjust their wings during flight. 3. EVAR 7 by Engineered Arts. Number 2. Phoenix by Sanctuary AI. Phoenix doesn't just mimic tasks, it understands them. This humanoid has the closest brain-to-body AI integration of any robot in 2025. It's trained using human digital twins, meaning it can do anything from giving injections to cooking meals. Fun fact: in March 2025, Phoenix successfully completed 92 different job roles in a simulated economy. Number 1. Atlas Next by Boston Dynamics. Atlas Next is what happens when Boston Dynamics puts no limits on design. It can climb vertical ladders, jump gaps, and perform precise assembly tasks, all using electric motors and zero hydraulics. It's more nimble than any human athlete. Did you know segment? Atlas can complete an IKEA desk in under 3 minutes.
Which of these robotic marvels blew your mind the most? Comment below. And if you love futuristic content like this, subscribe to Gizmo Wizardry because we're just getting started. The future isn't coming, it's already here.